Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the MUSETEX ATX PC case, a sleek and stylish mid-tower designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who crave both performance and aesthetics. This case isn't just about looks, it's packed with features like 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, support for a 360mm radiator, and a stunning 270-degree tempered glass view. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a powerful workstation, this case promises to be a standout choice. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what makes this case special. The MUSETEX Y6 comes with 6 ARGB fans pre-installed, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants vibrant lighting without the hassle of extra installations. The fans are PWM controlled, meaning you can fine-tune their speed for optimal cooling and noise levels. The case supports a 360mm radiator, making it ideal for liquid cooling setups, and it's compatible with ATX motherboards, offering plenty of space for your components. The 270-degree tempered glass panel is a showstopper, giving you an almost unobstructed view of your build. Plus, it includes a USB Type-C port on the front panel, a modern touch for faster data transfers. In real-world use, this case delivers on its promises. The airflow is excellent thanks to the 6 fans, keeping temperatures low even during intense gaming sessions. The cable management is straightforward, with ample space behind the motherboard tray to keep things tidy. The tempered glass is sturdy and adds a premium feel, though it's worth handling with care during installation. The RGB lighting is customizable, syncing with most motherboard software for a cohesive look. However, there are a few drawbacks. The case is on the heavier side, and while the glass panel looks fantastic, it can attract fingerprints and dust easily. Additionally, the fan noise can get noticeable at higher speeds, though this is common with most RGB fans. Compared to similar cases like the Lianli Langcool 2 or the Fantex Eclipse P400A, the MUSETEX Y6 holds its own. It offers more pre-installed fans than many competitors, and the 270-degree glass panel is a unique touch. While it might not have the same brand recognition as some rivals, it provides excellent value for the price, especially for those who want RGB lighting right out of the box. To get the most out of this case, consider pairing it with a high-quality RGB controller or syncing the lights with your motherboard's software for a unified effect. Regularly clean the glass panel to maintain its pristine look, and take advantage of the ample airflow by optimizing your fan curves for a balance between cooling and noise. Overall, the MUSETEX ATX PC case is a fantastic option for gamers and builders who want a visually striking case with solid performance. It's especially great for those who love RGB lighting and don't want to deal with the hassle of installing fans separately. While it has minor quirks, the pros far outweigh the cons, making it a worthy contender in the mid-tower market. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building. Catch you in